Hello bachon, this is Mohammad Inatullah from the SAIMEDHA Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Welcome to the Smart Start video series. So in our previous videos also, as we have started the topic as periodicity, now we will be going to start extreme values. Extreme values means what we are having? Maximum value, minimum value. Okay. Now but in this we will be discussing maximum value and minimum value of the which function? Trigonometric functions. Okay. Maximum value and minimum value of the trigonometric functions we will be discussing. Okay. One more topic will be there, that is maxima and minima will be in applications of derivatives. Okay, over there we can cover all the functions, but if you are having specially trigonometric functions, we'll be discussing in this part. Okay, extreme values. Let us start over here. See this one. I have taken some questions. For solving that questions, we should know some of the concept over here. Okay, what I have told you, extreme values means minimum value, maximum value. Sometimes it will be asking range also. Now what is the meaning of range? We are having both the values, minimum value, maximum value, both the values we have to find. That is the meaning of range. Okay, now before starting the questions, let us discuss some concept over here what we are having. Okay, now main important functions we are having it as sine and cos. These two are most important, sine function and cos function. These two are most important over here. For this, directly we have to remember what we are remembering. Directly we have to remember that what is minimum value, what is maximum value. Let us see this part. Okay, so whenever we are having sine x and cos x, okay, for this part, what is minimum value? -1. What is maximum value? +1. That's it. Okay, directly we have to remember over here. Minimum value for sine cos, we are having -1. Maximum value for sine cos, we are having +1. How we are deciding this part means, if you know the graph, of sine and cos, suppose if you are taking this line over here, this line and this line we have taken over here, whenever we are considering these lines, this line will be -1 and this line will be what? +1. So whatever the graph of the sine x and cos x we are getting over here, that will be between -1 and +1, between -1 and +1 only. So minimum value we have taken -1, maximum value we have taken it as what? +1. Similarly, if you are having sine square x, we are having cos square x, mod sine x, mod cos x, we have taken this part over here. If you are having this, what is the minimum value for this? 0. What is the maximum value we are having? 1. Okay, so minimum value 0, maximum value 1 we have taken. Sine cos minimum value -1, maximum value +1. Sine square, cos square, mod sine, mod cos, minimum value 0, maximum value 1. Okay, now by using this concept only, we can solve the questions very easily within a second over here. Let us try to solve. Come on. Let us solve these questions now. Okay, now one more point before again, listen here. Now I have told you sine x and cos x minimum value is -1, maximum value is +1 over here. But suppose sometimes we will be having sine 2x over here. Now for sine 2x, what is the minimum value? -1 only. Understood? Sine 2x, sine 3x, sine 5x, sine 10x, sine 17x, whatever it may be, minimum value will be -1, maximum value will be +1. Understood? Suppose if it is sine 2x, we are having sine 3x plus 5. If you are having sine under root of 1 plus x square plus x, if you are having sine of 9x minus 3, whatever it may be, what we are having, minimum value is -1, maximum value is +1. Understood? Suppose if you are having squares for this part, square. If you are having square for that part, what is minimum value? 0. Maximum value 1. Okay. Now let us try to solve this questions over here. Okay. See the first question now. What is the first question we are having? Maximum value of f of x is equal to 3 sin x. Listen here. What we have to do? See this part. Now I have written 3 as it is over here. Now we are having sin x. We are having sin x over here. If you are having sin x, don't consider directly that -1 +1 over there. Okay, you have to substitute two values. After substituting the two values, whatever the answers will be getting now, that answers you have to decide it as minimum value and maximum value. Okay, first understand the first question. Remaining questions we can solve very easily. Okay, let us see this part. 3 I have written as it is. What is the values we are having for sin x, minus 1 comma plus 1. What we are having? Minus 1 comma plus 1. I have written that part. Now from this we will be getting two cases. How many cases? Two cases. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into plus 1 plus 3. We are getting the two answers. Yes or no? We are getting the two answers over here. After getting these two answers, what is minimum value? This is minimum value. What is maximum value? This one is maximum value. That's it. Like this we have to solve. Understood the concept? So if we are using this conditions what we are having, directly we can solve the answers over here. Okay, let us go with the next question now. 3 we have written as it is. Now in the place of cos 4x minus 5, what we have tried? Minus 1 comma plus 1 plus 4 we are having as it is. Again we are having two cases. First case, 3 into minus 1 means minus 3 plus 4, and 3 into plus 1, 3 plus 4, which is equals to 4 minus 3, 1. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, 1 comma 7. Okay, minimum value is 1, maximum value is 7. So we have to find out range over here now. Range means how we have to write 1 comma 7, minimum value, maximum value. Very easy, very easy. Okay, now let us see this part. Range of f of x is equals to minus 3 cos under root 3 plus x square we have taken. Okay, now see this question. Minus 3 I have written as it is. Now in the place of this complete part, what we have to write? Minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay, now again, what are the two cases we are having? Minus 3 into minus 1 means 3. Minus 3 into plus 1 means minus 3. Now we have to find out the range over here. Range is equals to, what is minimum value? Minus 3. What is maximum value? Plus 3. Compulsory, we have to write first minimum value. Next you have to write maximum value. What we have to write? Maximum value. Okay. Now next part. Range of f of x is equals to 3 mod cos x minus 5 we are having. Okay. So 3 I have written as it is over here. Now what are the two values of mod cos x we are having? Say it fast. What are the two values for mod cos x we are having? Mod cos x means we have taken 0 and 1. Let us substitute over here. 0 comma 1 minus 5. This part we have taken. So if you have taken this, again we will be having two cases. What is the first case we are having? 3 into 0. 3 into 0 means what we are having? 0 minus 5. Next case, 3 into 1. 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 5 we have taken, which is equals to minus 2 we have taken. Okay. Again we have to find out the range over here. Range means what we are having? Minimum value, maximum value. Okay, so therefore what we can write over here? Range is equals to, what is minimum value we are having? Minus 5. What is maximum value we are having? Minus 2. That's it, that's it, that's it. Okay, next part, minimum value of cos square x. Directly, direct question is there. If you are having direct question, what is the minimum value for cos square? 0. What is the maximum value for sin square? 1. Okay, so by using this concept over here, all these questions we have solved within a second over here. Okay, so in this video we have covered one concept of the extreme values, then remaining concepts will be going on, will be continuing in the next video. Thank you very much.